Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn exploration points in Heartopia. So you are going to want to clean up the ocean and you'll get some exploration points as you can see here. You'll get around 2 or 3. You are also able to get it when you harvest the underwater plants. And basically, if you go here, you'll see how many exploration points you have. You can also get some by completing the daily requests here. You'll get an explorer certificate to be able to upgrade. I need to upgrade this level, and then I will need 1,200 exploration points in order to level up to level 7. So yeah, just do that if you want to um upgrade your your cleaning up hobby, because some of them you do need the tickets from this area. Here, I'll show you. Like the ocean cleanup hobby upgrade voucher, you can get it from here. You can only get it per like 2 levels, I think. Some of them you need to like really grind it to get it. And there's up till 30 levels to get all of it. So yeah, you do have to play this game a lot and just clean and harvest, which I know is a lot, but like you might get the Moonlight Crystals from this as well, like the rewards from leveling up. So yeah, that's how you can get exploration points in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!